1968 Ford Mustang Fastback Eleanor. When you think about the greatest icons of American automotive culture, few cars rival the 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback. Even more legendary is the Eleanor, a car forced into pop culture immortality by the 2000 film Gone in 60 Seconds. It wasn't just a muscle car. It was cinema's symbol of speed, power, and style. Today's mods pay homage to that legacy, but few capture both heritage and heart as powerfully as this rotisserie built. Eleanor shown here. The moment you stand before it, everything about it says something unmistakable: history, performance, attitude. This Mustang isn't a typical restoration. It's a complete rotisserie build. That phrase alone tells a passionate car lover that the vehicle has been disassembled to bare metal. Every component inspected, repaired, replaced, and re-engineered before being reassembled. A rotisserie restoration goes beyond shiny paint and refurbished trim. It means addressing the soul of the car, the frame, suspension, body structure, welding points, seams, and even the innermost hideaways that most restorers never touch. The result is a car that looks stunning and drives with integrity and confidence. Essentially a brand new classic. Underneath its flawless exterior, this Mustang boasts a Gen 3 Ford Coyote 5.0L V8, a modern, high-flow DOHC, electronic fuel-injected masterpiece of engineering. Unlike the original 1968, small blocks that once rolled off production lines with modest horsepower figures, the Coyote brings 450+ horsepower plus strong torque from idle through redline, modern valve control, revised intake, and FE ensure throttle response, signaling a dramatic leap in performance over stock counterparts. The Coyote engine's smooth yet potent delivery makes acceleration effortless, igniting both nostalgia and awe with every launch. It's what you'd expect from a classic that's been reborn for real-world excitement, not just show fidelity. Bring a trailer. Paired with that advanced engine is a 10-speed automatic transmission, the modern marvel that reshapes how power meets the pavement. Instead of clunky shifts or hesitations, the 10-speed provides razor-sharp gear changes and an exceptionally wide range of ratios, allowing the engine to stay in its optimal power band longer. The result: smooth highway cruising, brisk acceleration from a standstill, and confident passing power on the open road. This isn't just a classic Mustang. It's a modern muscle machine optimized for both driving pleasure and everyday usability. Bring a trailer. But performance isn't limited just to the engine or transmission. This Eleanor features a sophisticated suspension layout, combining classic Mustang roots with modern handling upgrades, independent front suspension, and a solid yet refined rear setup work together to provide crisp steering, composed cornering, and confidence-inspiring road manners. Whether darting around town or tackling winding back roads, underfoot upgraded four-wheel disc brakes provide superior stopping power, an essential upgrade for a vehicle of this caliber and capability. The exterior of this Mustang wraps all this performance in a body that demands attention, often finished in a pepper gray, metallic paint, or similar custom hue, with contrasting racing stripes down the center. This car's aesthetic echoes the film versions. Menacing presence, but with premium fit and finish. Every panel is laser straight thanks to the Rotisserie rebuild, and the body gaps are consistent and polished, signs of top-tier craftsmanship. Classic fastback lines still define the silhouette, but Eleanor styling cues, such as fog lamps, hood scoop, and aggressive wheel arch flares, elevate it beyond ordinary fastback styling. ClassicDigest.com. Stepping inside, you're greeted by an interior that blends vintage flavor with modern comfort and tech. Seating, often a combination of custom leather and performance ergonomics, holds you in place whether you're cruising on a sunny Sunday or launching hard from a traffic light. The dash typically mixes classic analog style with updated digital gauges, providing both period charm and functional clarity. Retro sound audio systems, velocity gauges, and polished wood or Shelby style steering wheels add layers of character and authenticity, showing that this interior was crafted both for comfort and performance enjoyment. Auto-evolution. Part of what makes an Eleanor tribute truly unique is the attention to immersive detail. In the original film, the car was a star, not merely a backdrop, and today's builders honor that through features like custom roll cages for safety and structure, side exit exhausts that scream with emotion under throttle, and nostalgic toggle switches that echo 1960s cockpit vibes. A vintage-style air conditioning system ensures modern comfort, while audio and lighting systems integrate quietly into the classic package. Auto-evolution. This Mustang's powertrain and chassis also feature refinements that serious drivers appreciate. High-capacity cooling systems, precision electronics, modern wiring harnesses, and quality fuel delivery systems ensure reliability and ease of maintenance. Gone are the days of finicky carburetors or temperamental ignition. EFI and contemporary electronics make starting, driving, and living with this car thoroughly enjoyable, even on longer journeys or cooler nights. The cultural significance of the 1968 Mustang Fastback rooted in Eleanor. Tradition cannot be overstated. Since the release of Gone in 60 Seconds, the Eleanor Mustang has been the dream of enthusiasts worldwide. That car wasn't just a beautiful pony car with a powerful engine. It was a symbol of tenacity, style, and cinematic heritage. Modern versions that carry official licensing or faithful tribute nods carry with them the romantic aura of that story while giving drivers confidence that this car performs as well as it looks. Barrett-Jackson.com. Owning a rotisserie built Eleanor Mustang isn't simply about adding a classic car to a garage. It's about possessing a rolling piece of art that delivers both emotion and performance. Every detail, down to the custom badges, Shelby-style rims, and side pipes has been selected for impact, aesthetic, acoustic, and mechanical. The wheels and tires are chosen for grip and stance. The suspension handles imperfections smoothly yet confidently. The brakes inspire trust even when pushed hard. Driving this Mustang is an experience rooted in heritage yet realized with modern precision. It's the moment you turn the key and feel the engine's rumble grow into a roar. It's the rush when acceleration cradles you into the seat. It's the look of admiration from fellow enthusiasts and passersby who recognize greatness on wheels. Across generations, Mustangs have always embodied American muscle and freedom. The 1968 Eleanor is the apex of that legacy, a vehicle that carries unmatched street presence, track-capable potential, and a story that spans decades of automotive evolution. This is not merely a car. It is an icon reborn, a masterpiece of engineering, design, and automotive passion.